Make sure to check out the first 2 videos in the series, Nouns and Verbs.
Hey guys, Gina here. I'm a speech therapist. I'm so excited to have you on my channel. I talk about all kinds of things, age birth to all the way through school age, whether it be forming sentences or potty training. But this video is actually a part of my series of forming grammatically correct sentences for your school age child. So today we're talking about pronouns. So let's get started.
Reflexive pronouns are used to discuss verbs that one or something does for their own self. They include myself, himself, herself, yourself, and itself. For example, the flower was planted by itself. Third-person singular pronouns give ownership and show who a noun belongs to by adding S to the noun for hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. His is not a singular pronoun since it already has an S at the end. For example, the dog is yours. Subjective personal pronouns replace the name of the noun to give an idea of the gender or number. These words are he, she, they, we, I, and you. For example, if it was a girl named Sarah, you could replace it with she is in love. Demonstrative pronouns are used with a noun for objects that are close or nearby. These words are that, these, this, and those. For example, that ball is his. You could also say those shoes are his. Objective personal pronouns replace the name of the noun to represent a person or a group. The words we use to do this include them, us, him, her, me, or you. For example, the house belongs to them. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe to be notified when the next video is posted. Subscribe below. Thanks!